So just finished detailing the crap out of this thing. Backwards, forwards, up, down, in and out, left and right, inside, outside, trunk, engine, everything. And I started it up, and now I'm hearing the most peculiar sounds coming from under the car while it's running. Almost sounds like it's misfiring, but at the same time it's not misfiring. Starting to get really pissed off about this whole exhaust thing. It looks great though. Granted, I got all these dead bushes in the way. I'm hoping it makes that misfire sound again while I have it recording, because it doesn't do it constantly. And it just did it again. Usually get kind of closer. Of course, now that I have the camera going, it's not going to do it. Oh well. Well, continue showing. Look at that door jamb. I know it's kind of dark now, but so clean everywhere. I still have to vacuum, but all the leather's clean. Look at that door jamb. Everything is spotless. Okay. See if I can focus in on the gauges. There we go. As well as my favorite option in this whole car is the heads-up display. And my second favorite option in this car, well, second and third. Second being these marvelous gauges down here. And the third being all the lights, including the accent lights that run down the door. It's not a ZL1, so I can't change the color, but it's still pretty wild. And considering my favorite color is green, that's close enough to a bluish green for me to be happy. That's pretty amazing. I love this car. And then there's the old boring radio. Eventually I'll change that for something else. And then there's the switches and dials for my favorite option for the heads-up display. But yeah, nice and clean, all the windows. Well, I'm surprised how much I can see out that window considering how tinted it is. This camera is amazing. Even at the back. And then the steering wheel is pretty sweet. It's got my favorite little options up here. My little paddle shifters. Which is a funny thing considering it says drive and then M down there. Yet up here, I don't know if I can really focus in on it. It says 1. but that's because I hit the paddle shift. But if I put it in M, it gives me an S instead. Not quite sure what that's all about, but hey, MS, why not? No idea. Even in the dashboard, it says S when I'm in M. Funny that. Alright, well, I just figured I'd show over the car. Not too bad for a 6-year-old car with 42,834 miles on it. Ah, nice full tank of gas. Can't go wrong with that either. Let's put it on. I like how I have the digital speedometer there in the middle, but considering I have that one up there, I don't really need that one down there too. So I usually leave that one on fuel range. And that's what I get for a full tank of gas. Yep. All right. Good night. Until next time.